If you are going to have your apartment repaired, the first part to do is to replace the electric wiring. We'll tell you about the fundamental principles of choosing cables for houses and apartments. The material of the cable really matters in the process of cable selection. Aluminium cables are cheaper, however, they have a number of shortcomings. They are less conductive, they oxidize fast when in contact with air, and they break at bend points. Copper cables are quite reliable, durable, and less sensitive to corrosion. To replace or install electric wiring or to choose cables, please take into account the electric wiring load. Such load will determine the required area of cable cord cross-section. Generally, cables have cross-section of 0.75, 1, 1.5, 2.5, 4 and 6 square millimeters, etc. Note, however, that aluminium cable electric conduction is 38% lower than that of copper cables. That is why aluminium cables should have greater cross-section than copper cables designed for a similar load. For example, if a copper wire should have a cross-section of 1 square millimeter, aluminium cables should have 1.5 square millimeters. Or if a copper cable has 2.5 square millimeter in cross-section, aluminium cable should be of 4 square millimeters, and so on. In addition to that, it is important whether the cable cross-section can stand the maximum actual load and the current value of automated switches and fuses. Polyvinyl power LEDs made of flexible copper stranded wires with a circular section is the best choice for houses and apartments. If you connect electric tools and household appliances or make extension cords using such wires. However, you'd better buy cables of excess length, as a single wire is always better than a patchworky cable.